I got into a fight with a grizzly bear at a remote ski resort somewhere in Alaska and needed 80 stitches. You've probably heard something like that before and wondered, how are stitches actually counted? Or what even counts as a stitch? So let me burst the bubble about stitch counting. Usually for traumatic injuries, simple interrupted sutures are used, which are really easy to count. So let's count some together. Okay, so this is definitely one stitch because it's a single strand of suture forming a single loop. This is also one stitch because there's one strand of suture material. Or is it considered two stitches because the strand forms two loops? But here's where things really get complicated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or is it 10 because there's 10 loops? Or is it just 1 because there's one strand of suture? Other times the skin is closed in layers, so some stitches end up buried underneath. To know for sure how many there are, you need to ask the surgeon to remember how many they place. If the cut is deep and in an area where scarring isn't a big issue, staples are used to get the job done very quickly. And staples aren't usually considered stitches at all. The bottom line is that counting stitches is not as simple as they make it seem.